We're starting already to shutter up our lifeguard station. We have some city employees that are building up our sand dunes a little bit. We've declared an evacuation for our station starting tomorrow morning. There won't be any after hours usage, but there's still people at the beach, so we'll still be here lifeguarding. Right now we're flying just the single red flag and highly advising people don't go in the water. If the mayor or city manager decides to fly the double red flag, that's when people are legally no longer allowed to enter the water. The beach is closed to the public. There are people here, like you said, it looks like business as usual, which is a little strange, but a lot of people are here from out of town. They don't want this storm to ruin their Labor Day weekend. They're here, so we're here guarding them.
I'll go with you. Here, I'm going to take your picture.
Beautiful day, actually, out here today. And it's good for the boogie boarding. They're all out there. Didn't stop anybody else out here. And I'm sure there's a lot of locals out here that are still down here. Nobody's afraid of it. So, decent crowd for the beach. I thought it'd be completely empty, but there's still people here.